First step is to go to the website of CNSC Learning Management System by typing this link, cnsc.edu.ph/OLMS2. Now log in into your account using the username and password given to you. What you can see now is the home page of the website. The next step is to proceed to your dashboard by clicking this part, the upper leftmost part of your screen, the menu. So you can see the dashboard here. Click. So now you can see the course COEng exam batch 1. So click again. You can see now the announcements and then the qualifying exam. We are going to put a trial quiz so that you can practice how to manipulate or navigate in the learning management system. So now I will try to show you by taking an exam. So here are the instructions before taking the exam. So you only have one attempt, and then the duration of the exam. So let us try to attempt. So there is a reminder, the time limit, your attempt will have a time limit of 2 hours. So so that you can see the whole reminder, change into desktop site. So to see the whole screen. Yan. So let us attempt again. Start attempt. So now you can see you can zoom in, zoom out the screen so you can read clearly. So your attempt will have a time limit of 2 hours. So start attempt. So now this is the sample question. So yan. This is the quiz navigation. So as you can see, this is my time left, 1 hour and 37 minutes and 20 seconds. Then this is the total number of items. So for this trial quiz, we have 2 items. So I am in question number 1. So I can proceed to the next question without clicking any answer. So you can freely navigate. You can go back, then proceed to the next question if you want. So it's up to you if you will skip and then return to the problem. As long as you maximize your time for every question. So be careful not to consume your time in only one question. So let us try to answer. That is by clicking letter A, and then you can clear your choice if you're not sure. So you can go back to the previous page by clicking this one. So let's try to click letter C. Then next page. So we proceed to the question number 2. Then now let us finish attempt. So this one, you can review the summary of your attempt. So for question 1, you have an answer saved. So so that you can see if you have missed a question. So you can, if there is a answer you've missed, question you've missed, you can return to your attempt. You return to your attempt, and then you can answer the question you've missed. So again, you can click the finish attempt, then submit, and if you are sure now with your answer, you can click the submit all and finish. So you can see I have this time left, 1 hour and 35 minutes. So let's say I've got disconnected with the internet. So the time will continue to count down, even if you're already disconnected. So I hope you will make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that your time will not be wasted. So that's all for the tutorial. Thank you. Don't forget to submit all and to click the submit all and finish. Yeah. Yan. That's all. Thank you.